Hi crafty cuties, welcome to my 2020 Christmas junk journal release. We are here. I'm so excited. So much work has gone into these journals that I'm about to share with you. I do have a few things to note. One is that because I need to get this video up as soon as possible so that you guys can kind of see the journals, there are a few journals that are not bound yet. They will be once the listings are up, but just keep that in mind. I feel like you guys know my work well enough to kind of trust that the outcome's going to be amazing, if I do say so myself. And then there are 3 journals that I'm not completely done with, but again, I'm going to show you the cover because that's done, and I'm going to list those ones as a pre-order, which just means they're not done right now as I list it, but it will be shipping by this Wednesday at the latest, and probably more so like Tuesday. I think that's like November, I don't know. Anyways, I'll have the information down below. I will have my shop linked below. These journals are up and ready to go, and each journal is going to come with like a 20-piece pack of goodies that are like tags and guest checks and things that go along with the journals, journaling cards and tags and things like that. So I wanted to mention that. Most journals have goodies inside them, but I didn't want to fill them up too much, and they're all very, very similar, which is why I'm showing you a few that are not completely done, but they will be once the listing's up. And then I also have just a couple foundation page packs that are things I've made on my YouTube channel, like the vintage wallpaper pockets, the wax seal policy envelopes, and then these few pockets. This one comes with a button for the door in case you want the button. This fun little pocket here, and the double tag pocket. So I'll have those listed individually because they would all be completely different with a different variation of the pieces that I've made on my channel. So let's get started. I have these numbered. Now, I know it's fun to have like cute little names for them, but it was just the quickest way, and I've really estimated how much time this would take me. So here we go. This is going to be number 1. This is so cute. This is using mostly Johanna Klau's shop printables. Look how cute this is. It's like a little fox and little, anyways. So not this page, but like most of the pages in here are from her shop, and so much fun to work with. So you can kind of say this one's like wintry, but it's full of mushrooms and fun things. So I'm gonna do just such a quick flip through because I want there to be surprises. So let's just go ahead. You'll see that this is called a deluxe, which just means I have more vintage things in it. I have it filled a lot more, but each journal has sewn laces, sewn pockets, sewn fabric tabs, like really honestly everything you like are set to go. Each has around 60 pages. This is a bigger journal, and this is a 6x9. Most of the other ones are like around 5 by 7.5, something like that. And so let's just go through. Like I said, I'm skipping pockets and things because I just want to be able to show you. We have like 16 more journals to go, but this is so cute. I love the prints in this one so much. Her printables are so cute, and so of course she has these in her shop, and you can get those as well. I would love to do more of a flip through, but we gotta keep going. So that's number 1, and so I'm just gonna try to put these up like so. Number 2 is not bound yet, so it also means it's not quite decorated, but the front cover is a really cute botanical piece here. I've been saving this for so long, and they all have a charm and tassel on the side with a milk cap charm as well. Oh yeah, I forgot to pull that out of the foundation page packs. It also comes with one of these, but let's get started. So again, this isn't bound, and that also means I do some of the decorating at the last minute, like I'll add things into the pockets and stuff. But let me just kind of show you the variation of papers, and you can see I already have all of the laces and things on the pages, and they're all going to have the items that I've been making on my YouTube channel the last couple weeks, all the pockets and things. So each journal is going to have a variation of those. Actually, no, not a variation. Each journal will have all of those things that I've been making. And so, sorry that this video is kind of like janky, but like I said, I'm up like before my kids are even up to film this so that it could be up in time because it takes so long to upload from my house sometimes. Okay, here's number 3, and so it's a cute lace covered one. This has a teeny little pocket with a little ticket, little charm here. Vintage laces on this one. Again, it's a little pack here filled with goodies in the pockets over here. And again, just a variation of pockets and papers and all things fun little flip ups and, you know, children's book pages, and my cat wants out, of course. So that was number 3. Number 4, I'm just gonna sit down and let you have a look while I let my darn cat out. Okay, so here we go. So this is number 4. I hope I got the numbers right. Each listing is going to have at least a picture of the cover, the tassel, and if I can get to it, the pages. But that's kind of why I do these flip throughs, so that you guys can get a better look on camera. You guys are usually my top customers. I don't have a ton of Etsy customers other than y'all. And so I am filling up the pockets and things before these get sent, so just so you know. So again, a variety of pages, laces, music papers, just fun little flips and things like that, little pockets and such. I had so much fun making these. Like I said, I did underestimate a little bit how long it was going to take me to get these all done, but here we go. So this would be number 5. I do feel silly because I'm usually a lot more organized on these release videos, but yeah. Okay, so here we go. Super cute. I love the papers in this one, and I work really hard to try to make sure that everything really is cohesive, and even though I really like the mix of things, I still want things to go together so that when you're working in these journals, it's easy for you. So you can see they're decorated, but you still have a lot of wiggle room and flexibility. And then extra little pockets and things back here, which again will be more organized when it's sent to you. That's 5. Number 6. Tassels. So you can see they're just all similar, which is why I'm kind of going quickly here. I have changed my junk journaling style a lot in the last few years, and I've learned like what works best for me, and I know everyone's different, but I used to fill these up a lot more. Like I would have the entire pages decorated, and a lot of the feedback I got was people loved them, but they were worried they didn't want to mess them up, they didn't want to touch them too much, and so they wouldn't really use them. And while that's fine if that's how you want to buy your journals, I really want people to be able to use them as well. So this is number 7. I keep forgetting what number 1. 7. This is from an Edith Holden book, and so there's a pocket up on top. And so, yeah, I just kind of have evolved my style a little, but I still love adding all of the laces and things on the sides because it's really hard to sew in a book, you know, once all of the pages are bound. And so that's why I wanted to make sure to do that for these journals. Lots of fun little bags and pockets. And so I hope that you guys are able to get one if you want. I know that sometimes my journals do go rather fast. I try to make enough so that there would be enough for anyone who wants one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my gosh, okay, 8. Why can't I remember what number we're on? This is number 8. I'm just really hoping I don't mess this up. But again, the listings are going to have the pictures and everything. A little charm up here on this little pocket. Fun little piece here. This one has, I think, a lot of Tim Holtz papers in it. Move these things out of the way. So a lot of things too, I would just clip on so that you can move it around, use it how you want. But so it's still in there, ready to go. There we go. Number 9. the gorgeous fabric that I cannot stop using. Really cute paper here. So I'm going to try to go a little faster, so I just don't want this video to be too long so you can see, you know, all of them. Okay, let's do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I should have labeled these. So this is 10, 10, 10. Really pretty kind of vintage. And even though these are all very similar, you can see each one is also very different. Okay. Number 11. They all have some type of a closure on the side here. I had to do 2 of these fabrics. Okay. Number 12. A really pretty lace one. I wanted to make a couple more of these, and in fact, I have more lace. This one has some vintage lace on the closure here. So you may see a few more journals pop up in my shop. Soon. It just kind of depends because I wanted them to get to you guys in time. So 13. And so this one's not bound yet, but it will be when by the time the listing's up. Oops, there we go. And so you can still kind of see, get a little idea of what papers we're working with here. Okay. Number 14. This one I don't have the pages out, so I called this a pre-order because it's going to be a lot of fun, kind of more vintagey papers, but I just have the cover to show you. It's going to have the same setup, the same tassel and charm. 15, I hope I said that right, same thing, pre-order. So this is just the cover here. And number 16, which is also a pre-order situation. And this is more of a retro style, which is what I'm using this year. And so it's a little bit different, but I think it'll be so fun to fill up. And so this one's just not done yet, but you can see I do have some of the papers kind of planned out here. And so it's going to be decorated just like the others with all the lace and everything like that. So guys, yeah, I know this wasn't as organized as my other videos, but I just wanted to get it up like as early as possible. And so these journals, they're going to be in my shop, which I'll have the link listed below. In the future, I always like to try to give you guys as much heads up as I can. It just didn't work out that way, so I do apologize to anyone that's upset about that, that maybe didn't get a chance to get one that you wanted. But please keep in mind, if there was one that you really wanted, give me a message on Etsy. I may be able to fit in a couple custom orders, and I have a lot of the same fabrics and things that are used here, laces and things like that. So I can't do a ton, but you know, message me and we can definitely chat. And I also plan in the next week to have some mini ornament journals using these vintage playing cards that are adorable. So be on the lookout for that, and I will see you guys later. Leave me any questions down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you for your support. Also, I want to give an extra shout out to my patrons who have really supported me and really helped make this possible, because I'm making, you know, a little extra income from that. And so I'm able to buy fun things to put into the journals. So thank you guys. I love you. Bye.